In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Slides presentation using Screencastify. Whether you're preparing for a virtual presentation, practicing your delivery, or creating content to share with others, this guide will make the process simple, effective, and professional. First, open Google Slides in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see all your existing presentations. If you want to start fresh, click on the blank presentation option. This opens a new slide deck where you can add your content from scratch. Alternatively, you can select a template from Google's library, which is a great way to save time and give your presentation a polished, professional look right from the start. Now let's prepare to record. Make sure Screencastify is installed in your Chrome browser as an extension. If it's not already installed, visit the Chrome Web Store, find Screencastify, and add it to your browser. It only takes a few seconds. Once installed, you'll see the Screencastify icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the icon to open the menu and select the record option to get started. Before recording, take a moment to check your settings. You can choose to include your microphone audio, which is perfect for adding voiceovers or narrating your presentation. You can also enable your webcam if you want your audience to see your face alongside the slides. This can make your presentation feel more personal and engaging. When you're ready, click Record. Screencastify will ask what you want to share: your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. For most Google Slides presentations, sharing only the browser tab is ideal. It keeps your audience's focus on the slides while avoiding unnecessary distractions from other windows. Click Share, and the recording begins. As you move through your slides, present naturally, just as if you were in front of a live audience. Speak clearly, highlight key points, and keep a steady pace. Screencastify captures everything on your screen, including animations and transitions, so your video will look smooth and professional. Once you finish, click the Screencastify icon again and press Stop. The tool will process your video instantly, and from the Screencastify dashboard, you can review your recording, trim any unwanted sections, and even share it directly to Google Drive, YouTube, or via a link to your audience. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily record Google Slides presentations using Screencastify, making your presentations more dynamic, engaging, and accessible for anyone who couldn't attend live. With a little practice, this process becomes second nature and can help elevate the quality of your virtual presentations significantly.